creating some distance from the traditional digital currencies. Uniswap works on a decentralized P2P trade computerized market producer to empower the exchanging of crypto resources. Additionally, it works on conventional trades. Before we dive into the Uniswap cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the extraordinary highlights of Uniswap. Being connected to Ethereum empowered as two brilliant agreements to procure interest. Uniswap has an exceptional element and give liquidity straightforwardly from liquidity suppliers. This component of Uniswap goes about as a significant impetus in totally eliminating the obstacle concerning token mining. In a way, it advances straightforwardness, killing the mediators or consent totally. Consequently, rather than the singular cryptographic forms of money, the computerized resources are connected as matches. Consequently, the liquidity gets represented for these parts appropriately. As a decentralized convention for robotized liquidity arrangement on ETH, Uniswap overwhelmed the whole crypto space when during pandemic Uniswap chose to send off this token Uni on September 17, 2020. This was sorcery for that multitude of holding Uniswap as they turned moguls on September 17, 2020. While overwhelming the crypto world, a flood of Stages administration token began administering the crypto conversations once more. Look at the Unicoin subtleties before we leap to point-by-point Uniswap cost expectation. Uniswap, grasping details. The vision of Uni stands tall and firm, leaving impressions on the innovative and utilitarian ecospace. Uni sustains trust alongside comfort, making the existences of the Uniswap clients overall simple. There are factors separated from the over that administer the Uniswap cost unbiasedly, viz. The connection among market interest is the deep-rooted peculiarity of incongruous connection works for Uni token. Merchants come to advertise with desires that the Uniswap digital money market they hold will guarantee incredible returns. Notwithstanding, because of pandemic, financial backers are constrained to search for other supporting procedures or any elective momentum speculation choice. If the interest for decentralized finance applications goes up, it will be good for Uni tokens as well. The more the holders begin purchasing the token on a colossal scale, no big surprise the cost will go childhood, the stockpile might descend. Uniswap change in cost occurring over these midpoints will major areas of strength for show. Right now, the cost of $40 is shown by Uniswap as moderate yet deft and can shoot to better levels. According to Uniswap Uni cost forecasts, this is the most suitable chance to book benefit in the Uniswap by taking advantage of your abilities as a swing merchant. To comprehend the value vacillations of Uni better, it would be great to dig further into the past narrative of Uniswap. While the underlying stage for Uniswap didn't see a lot of worthiness with the majority, it required investment for Uni projections to construct that trust and work towards it. Without a doubt, it arose as a pioneer in the most recent 24 hours. Cost stands tall at the cost of $40.30 today. Here are numerous crypto specialists who believe that Uni has massive potential and energize financial backers, giving gleaming proposals to trade as underneath for this advanced resource by giving Uniswap expectation. At long last, beam of trust. There is potential for uniting patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for Uniswap and show it might go on a higher opinion. As per Uniswap gauge, the cost might reach 79 cents toward the finish of December 2022 temporarily. Uniswap has accomplished one of the best 10 situations in cryptographic forms of money this year. And as per Uniswap cost expectations, the exhibition may be entirely kept up within the approaching 5 years as well. This will lead the cost to move higher. As per Uniswap value forecast and specialized examination, it appears Uniswap is happy. It as of now exchanges at just multiple times more than beginning in 2022. So this pattern proceeds with will be seen till December 2022. And the cost might go up to $9.38. As per Uniswap value expectation and specialized examination, Uniswap has a splendid future. It might have somewhat impacted by bears, yet we'll see the bull ride around 2023 and its cost might blow the rooftop, crossing $60. Uniswap value forecast 2022 to 2026. The main alleviation factor about pandemic is that it has not done any kind of separation with regards to monetary standards. The majority of the government-issued types of money, as well concerning digital currencies, have met with a similar lamentable destiny. Numerous financial backers are as yet capturing the conflict of the leftover titans, thinking about whether it is truly worth putting resources into Uniswap, despite the fact that the coin has shown an extraordinary supporting execution somewhat recently. Many market guides infer the bull run could be far off, while the others banter totally in an unexpected way. The cost diagram is referenced here alongside the Uniswap expectation. Uniswap value forecast 2022. Having begun late in last year, the Uniswap value activity will ride a bullish pattern all through 2022. Will keep riding news waves going ahead into 2023. Some in the middle of between the years 2022 and 2023, the value developments of USD should have been visible, taking it to a higher point fixed at $15, followed by a quick sharp rectification toward the finish of 2022. Taking into account the principal year, as per Unicost forecast 2022, the base cost would reach to $12 and most extreme cost to $15. The typical cost would be $13.50. Uniswap value forecast 2023, fluctuating somewhere in the range of $14 and $17 as per Uniswap cost expectation 2023. The cost of Uniswap might show some opposition, however it can't be said with sureness about the positive difference in cost of Uni concerning whether these 3 years would check the brilliant time for this digital currency Uni. There could be a few tremendous changes in crypto industry situations, market positions, monetary overwhelms, strategy rebuilding, or some other political justification for the coin to have its presentation on trade. Uni, nonetheless, is known to be versatile and steady. Both worldwide financial matters may too significantly affect Uniswap cost development. As per Uniswap forecast, the base cost would reach to $14 and most extreme cost to $17.20. The typical cost would be $15. Uniswap value expectation 2024. A few specialists likewise foresee, as per Unicost expectation, that value remedy may likewise be viable around this period, taking the Uniswap cost around $18 in 2024, riding as a market creator. In the principal, a portion of the cost would reach up to $18.50. Locale explicit changes also influence the cost of Uniswap, subsequently coming towards its advanced objectives. One thing that can be ensured about the Uni token is that the stars are brilliant for this resource. Having upset the whole worldwide page of exchanges, Uni token sets out on the journey of leaving an exceptional impression on this biological system. Uniswap value forecast 2025. According to Uniswap value forecast and our own exploration, a few hypotheses around the cost of Uniswap in 2023 likewise features that Uni would ride the buyer market by 2025. Uni could try and arrive at another high of $22. Uniswap appears now to competition to set a record, certifying its position showing steadiness. As per Uniswap forecast, in the main half, it would go up to $16 and the greatest cost would reach to $23 in the year 2025. Uniswap value expectation 2026. As per Unicost expectation, as this year is gone before by the mining occasion, there ought to be a bullish development driving the cost of Uniswap to go on towards a base value level of $25 without a doubt. In the principal half it would reach to $24 and in the drawn out it would reach to $26. This ought to be a decent Uniswap gauge fascination for merchants and individual financial backers to empty in their cash into Unikitty. And we could see positive cost change. Uniswap, a rising end as indicated by Uniswap cost expectation. There are extraordinary expectations the crypto local area holds for Uni, and it is definitely an ideal instrument for designers and specialists producing all the more such decentralized application. Taking into account Uniswap is a new venture and guileless locally, it ultimately depends on the initiative group to provide it the ideal guidance to upgrade the objectives set with the end goal of a more exorbitant